Hello students, last part, that is memory storage device. Memory storage is the main part of the computer. In input device we require memory, in output device also we require memory, and in processing device also we require a memory. And memory, the storage capacity of a device is called its memory, and it should be used to collect and save every data, or else we can misplace our data. And in memory device is countable, so it is countable in this way, that is 1 byte is equal to 8 bit, and 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobytes, that is 1 kb, and 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabytes, that is mb, which we are using now, and 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabytes. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabytes, and 1024 petabyte is equal to 1 exabyte, and 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1 GB that we are getting in memory storage in internet, and in future we will be using 1 zettabyte till 1 zettabyte. And memory storage has, computer memory devices has two parts, primary and secondary device. Primary is RAM and ROM, and secondary is hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, memory card. Primary device is RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. These are the inbuilt part of memory which is stored in the computer. And secondary memory devices are the parts which we can touch and see. So RAM and ROM. Now RAM, I said you, random access memory. It is data and instruction temporarily. When we start the computer, the operating system is loaded into RAM. Any app that we run is also loaded into RAM. When we type some text on the computer, it is saved to the RAM. But when we shut down our computer, RAM gets cleared and everything gets erased. So RAM is the temporary memory. And ROM is read-only memory. It is permanent memory. RAM is temporary and ROM is permanent memory. But it is only read-only memory. The memory which is stored in ROM, that we can see, but we can't share. It is called read-only memory. Secondary parts, CD, compact disc. It is a portable storage device that stores data permanently. Its stores capacity is up to 700 MB. It is very less. CD has very less storage part. CD-ROM, read-only memory. We cannot write to this disk, for example. CD recordable, CD read-write. These are three types of CDs. In recordable CDs, read-only memory CDs, which we can see but can't share, and read-write, the CD in which we can read and write our memory part. DVD, digital versatile disk. It is also a portable storage device. These are similar to CD, but this have more capacity than the CD storage. Blu-ray, it is scratch resistant disc, scratch proof CD disc. It is type of the CD and DVD only, but it is scratch proof. If we have any scratches on CD and DVD, we can't play that, but on Blu-ray it doesn't happen. It is scratch proofed, and the storage capacity is more than CD and DVD. Pen drive, all knows, portable storage device. We can transfer our data. In pen drive we can transfer our data in any computer, and its storage device is more than CD and DVD. Memory card, it is also portable device, multimedia card. It is very small. It is digitally used. It has storage capacity more than CD and DVD. Hard disk is the main secondary storage device with computers, which is input in our CPU box to store as our computer software, system software, and every single part. It is scratch proof. There won't get any damage if we have saved our system software and operating software in the hard disk. External hard disk. This is external hard disk. It is portable. When we want, we can link it with the computers. So it is external hard disk. Now it comes software part. Software are two parts. Software is the main program of the computer. It is fundamental second part. that is system software and application software. There are two types of software, system software and application software. Software is the operating system of computer like Windows 7, Microsoft, all are these system software operating on which computer is